What's up guys, welcome back to the channel. Today's video we're installing the Hooke Road interior cargo rack for the TJ. Should be a simple, easy bolt-on thing, get done really quick, so let's get started. Organizing and safely storing all your gear in the back of the TJ can be challenging because, as most of you know, there's not much room back here. What are your options? You can make a custom storage or buy something. In this case, the cost of materials and the time to build something like this, I feel like I came out ahead on this one. Now the first thing that we're gonna have to do is you have to remove your rear seat. You cannot run a rear seat with this, obviously. And also I'm gonna remove the seat belts. And this is a T50, just unbolt it, pretty simple. I have everything laid out here. We got all of our grade 8 hardware and our nice big beefy brackets. These things are really heavy duty, so I have no doubt that I will be able to put a lot of weight in this and not have to worry about it with our instructions right here. So basically, this is where under the seatbelt was. We're going to be utilizing this bolt right here, and then this plug right here we're going to remove in order to put a bolt through it. So one on each side, one there, and then the other bolt is right here. So we'll be bolting our brackets to that using the original bolts, and then that one with bolts that came with the kit here. Now this Torx right here on the rear of the roll cage I don't think has ever been out, and I had to use heat on the bottom side, inside the fender well, and PV blaster and a hammer to break this thing loose, so you guys might have to do the same. Probably never been out since 1997. On the roll cage is going to be this flat, smaller bracket utilizing the factory bolt. So our bigger zigzag bracket, we're going to utilize our stainless steel hardware with our locking nuts on that one in the hole up here on our wheel well. There we go. There's that side. It's not tight yet. We'll tighten it down later. Now I got this thing all bolted in. I originally was gonna make myself some storage system in the back of the TJ to organize it and make it better than ratchet strapping stuff down in the back like I've always done, you know, for 13 years. And I couldn't justify the cost of materials and the time it would take to make it when Hooke Road 4x4 makes one that bolts in. So let's go and show you what I got in here and how I have it set up. So on the bottom here I have my traction boards, I have all of my spare parts and stuff like that, grease and oil and everything here. I got a tool bag here, I have my main tool bag here, I have my recovery bag here, I got my onboard, my air compressor here, and I have room down here to put more stuff. This is just basic idea of what I have down here. And what's really nice about this being so solid, is if I roll over or have any kind of issue tipping, this big heavy tool bag and this big heavy container of parts isn't going to fly up and fly around the cabin or hit me or do anything like that. It's stuck underneath here with the door closed. It can't go anywhere. It can't hurt me. It can't do anything, which is great. Now the top here comes with a net that you can configure it however you want. I can reach in here from the driver's seat. I can put my backpack in here and it's not going to roll around in the back, get all dirty with my tools and stuff on the floor. It's up here out of harm's way. It has all my camera gear and all my stuff inside of it. I mean, you can throw whatever you want in here. I got a little cooler here. I can throw my jacket in here. I got a chair in here. I have attached right here on the front so I can get to it. This is my IFAK, my individual first aid kit. It has a tourniquet on the side, and it has all kinds of cool first aid stuff inside of it in case something happens. I always like to have an IFAK kit with a tourniquet available in all my vehicles, just in case, because you never know. Well, there you go, guys. A quick and easy bolt-on install. Unlike most of the videos on the channel, I will leave a link in the description to this Hooke Road 4x4 rear cargo rack. And if you want to follow me on social media, I am at MuddyBeards. 4x4, we got shirts, stickers, stuff like that on our website, like this right here. Also, link in the description, got discount codes for Barnes 4-wheel drive, Yankum ropes, a couple other companies, all in the description below. Make sure you give me a thumbs up and subscribe to the channel if you are not already. It really helps us out. Until next time, guys, we will see you on the trail.